Hey guys, so we're here back in Phoenix, Arizona, and we are fixing the ceiling of this home. We're gonna have to drywall it all, knock it down, and then we are looking at painting the exterior of the home. It's really pretty bad conditions. We are painting, it's all faded. They want to fix only the walls. No fascia board, no nothing like that. Just take care of it. It's a pretty small job for the guys, but hey, there's nothing small or big for us. We take care of every little job or big job. They're gonna come and fix it and we will paint. Hey guys, we're here with ZonaBrush Painting and we are in the north area of Phoenix around the 101 and Deer Valley. So this property is being painted for the reason that it's going on the market. Now what we're gonna do, or what the realtor wants us to do, is fix, all those stains. They already made sure that there is no leaks, so now we just have to cover them. We have to they want us to take all the blinds out. We take all the outlets out. We just paint everything, make sure the home looks decent for sale, for rent. Now we offer this for our realtors, where we have a realtor program, and we give them a certain deal for them. We got to cover all holes, all cracks, everything that is unstable. And it's just a pretty small house. It does have a lot of things, a lot of cracks that need to be taken care of. But that's what we're here for. Yes, sir. Hey guys, remember this home? Well, it's all textured and it's all painted. Now remember, this project is for a ready market project. This home is going for sale, so the homeowner wanted to spend the least possible, and now you kind of understand what we did. All this texture was falling down. Now you see those big lines. It's because in order for it to look properly, you need to replace the sheetrock. But here you go, I'm showing you guys what it is. We fixed all the foundation of the home. You guys can see down here. Just the side of it. What a difference it makes, right? A home like this. What a difference it makes when you paint. Now this home is ready for market. Whoever buys a home, well, they don't have to worry about the exterior paint. Something that it's already done. You guys remember there was big cracks here. Yes, here it was all raw wood. Got painted, done properly. At the end, we didn't do it as how we would have loved to, right? Had the fascia board done, but they just wanted it to look good. All this was raw wood and it was horrible. You guys remember that? But same with a home like this. Straight lines, obviously all that is not ours. But this is what it is when, you're getting a house getting to market. For example, let me show you the neighbor's house. Now, this home needs to be, you see all that? It's faded, and you see how when it rains, the red is coming? It's because what happens with paint, it gets shocky and it starts dripping. So, just wanted to show you guys here the project. Beautiful, beautiful home. The exterior of it. Hey guys, This is the inside of the home. You guys can remember. Look, just the difference by the hinges painted. This is what painting does to your home. It gives it a whole different look. Just paint it properly. This is one tone, so all the house is one color. Obviously the doors, trim, closets, all that is one sheen. But look how beautiful this home looks now compared to that blue wall they had. You guys remember here in the last video I showed you where all the cracks were because of previous leaks, leaks that never got fixed. I mean, the drywall got fixed. We didn't do cabinets, we just did walls. You guys can remember that on the side of the windows, there was, previous leaks where it leaked down from here. You could see that it leaked down, and then we had to drywall and texture all that. But just look at the difference. What a home by just painting it does. Now, this home is ready to market. They hire us, Asher, with Buy Y Arizona. We love that guy. He is great. We work with him all the time. I've known him for 6 to 7 years. This is his home. He got it ready to sell. He got it ready for market, right? He hires me all the time for a project like this. And this is what we do. Look at the difference of the bathroom. The bathroom even looks cleaner. Just a huge difference what just a coat of paint can do. Now, this is white, and typically what Asher does, he likes it white. We help him with this. Not only white makes your home cleaner, it gives it that smooth, look, that clean look, that big look. So if you have a small home, this is what I would recommend to do. This is the bathroom. Hey guys, just look at it, just different. Even the bathroom looks insanely different. But this is what it is. If you're ready to sell your home, please give us a call at ZonaBrush Painting at 602-910-8195, and we will take care of you. All the realtors out there, we're here to help you with this project. My guys took 2 days to finish this home, inside and outside. They're a great crew. They're very detailed guys. Just look at the floors. No paint drips in the floors. Just really good work.